welcome to this tutorial. This Facebook is not mine. This is for tutorial purposes only. And after the tutorial, the Facebook will be deleted. Okay, so let's go. So go to the Facebook application and to the Facebook account. See the right upper three lines. Just click that and go to the settings. Yes, settings, privacy, and the settings. Okay, just follow and go to the privacy checking, and then we will go to the 5 category or 5. Okay, so just follow the video, click the continue. Make sure that all of the choices will be only me and friends of friends in order to lock your Facebook account, so nobody or no one will show your Facebook account. Okay, so make sure that friend only or friends of friend only and only me. Then after that, if okay, then press the next button at the lower left or lower right. Okay, so you're all set. Then the next one, the second. Okay, continue, then skip if no need to change password. Okay, so next, and you're all set. Then for the third one, just continue. Okay, so only me, make sure to put the only me or friend only. Okay, so don't turn on that, and you're all set. Then for the fourth one, just make sure to follow the steps. Okay, so turned off, then press the next button. Just make sure to follow. This is the very easy tutorial and basic tutorial to lock your Facebook account. Just follow the steps. Anyway, this is the latest tutorial for 2022 on how to lock your Facebook. The old one will be the best one to lock your Facebook because it has the capability of you cannot screenshot, you cannot download your video or picture in your Facebook. So that is the comparison between the old and the new update of the Facebook on how to lock your account. And if you're finished, then that's all. Keep safe, God bless, and thank you for watching.